Hey everybody, this is Jeff with Jeff's Journey, and guess what guys, I'm going on a journey. In just 2 short days, I'm going to be going on a cruise for the first time in 20 months. And I was scouring the internet, trying to find some tutorials on packing, and I cannot find any for guys. There's plenty for couples. There's plenty for women. There is none for guys out there. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you the science behind the way guys pack. And there really, truly is a science. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my socks in there. And, well, let me show you. Got to get the bag. The bag is important. Number one important thing of packing, a bag. All right, so now let's get on to the clothes. All right, so socks. All right, now I'm going to be wearing sandals mostly, so I don't really need a whole heck of a lot of socks, so I got my socks right there. The next thing that I pack is drawers, underwear, if you will. And there's a mathematical equation that goes with packing underwear. So for what you have to do is you have to take the number of days you're going to be gone, multiply by 1.5. That way you have just a little bit extra. So that way, just in case, you got enough underwear. So that way you can get around and feel good. The next thing I'm going to put in there, because I'm going to be doing a lot of swimming, I'm going to be doing a lot of hot tubbing, I'm going to be doing it all, and I'm going to be doing it all in the bathing suit. There we go. Got the bathing suit right in there. The next thing, when you go to sleep at night, you got to wear something comfortable. You got to wear some nice comfy shorts. And so I got my comfy shorts here so I can wear it at night. Let's be honest. I'm just putting these in here. I'm probably not going to wear them. But next is the regular shorts. Now, shorts, whether the jean shorts or jorts, whatever you want to call them. I know I'm old, I'm a dad, whatever. There's those, there's khaki shorts. You don't need a whole ton of those because you can wear them multiple times. So you can wear them a couple times. So I got those all taken care of. I'm bringing 1, 2, 3 pairs of shorts. And now I'm on to my shirts. My shirts are important because you have to bring some kind of t-shirts because, let's be honest, I do not have the swimmer's body. So when I go in the pool, I like to wear a shirt just because, nobody can see anything until I get out. And then, everything's clinging to you. So it doesn't matter. Anyway, then I got to wear some shirts for the MDR collared shirts. I don't like to get dressed up totally, except on Elegant Night. I do have my outfit for that, which I'll show you on the cruise. But I'm going to wear a collared shirt and my khaki shorts to the MDR most of the time. All right, and that's pretty much it. Just take enough shirts with you so that way everything's good. And now everything's in here like so. And that is how you pack. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I hope it was informative. I hope you learned a lot about how guys pack. So, anyway, before I go, I want you to encourage you to like this video or dislike it. I know some of you might not like the way I pack, but that could be something. So like it or dislike it, comment if you want to, tell me how you pack. Also, subscribe to the channel. Please do me that favor and subscribe to the channel. And also go over to Facebook and like the Facebook fan page. So, and I also need to throw a disclaimer in here. Mom, because I know I'm going to get a text right after this video goes up. Mom, I was just having fun. I packed right. I did. Moms. All right, so what you do today determines your tomorrow. Bye-bye and take care.